Hi guys, my name is Ruchi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do another interesting video, which is the comparison between these two products, these two very popular products. This is the Dot and Key exfoliating serum or peeling serum, and this is the deep exfoliating peel off from PAC. Okay, but before we get started with the video, which is going to be really interesting, all you gotta do is subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 500 really soon, and watch this video till the very end to give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started. So before we get started, I just want to tell you that my hair is all messed up today because I took a head bath yesterday and I don't know, for whatever reason, I can't tame them. They're just all over the place, so forgive me for that. And this hairband is from my sister's page, Beads on Hook, whose link I'll be giving in the description box. Alright, with this long intro, let's get quickly started with the video. So these two exfoliating products, okay, this is the Dot and Key one, this is the PAC one. Now I'm just gonna clarify, I'm not going to be exfoliating right now because I do not personally chemically exfoliate in daytime, and it's advised also not to do it at night time. All right, because after chemically exfoliating your skin can become photosensitive. Okay, so you have to be really careful, and if you want to avoid all of that, then do it at night, and right after that in morning wear a sunscreen. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's a caution I want to give, and that's why I'm not performing it on my skin as well. And to apply, it's very easy. There's no biggie like how to apply. What I'm going to be telling you is the comparison between these two products, and I have been using this for around 2 months, 3-4 months. So you can see I finished half of it, and I have finished a lot from this as well. So let's discuss the price point. This retails for, I guess, 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. I'm saying 1,095 rupees. This one, and this retails for 799 if I'm not wrong. Coming on to the quantity, this one has 130 ml of product, whereas this one has 30 ml of the product. So clear winner. Alright, this comes in a tube packaging, like you can squeeze out tube kind of packaging. This is a pump bottle. Okay, the packaging of both the products is amazing. I don't have any complaints. The dispenser of this is also very nice, and this also very good, so no problem over there. It's very good. This one is, like you can see, it's a pinkish purplish color, whereas this one is quite translucent white, you can say. Okay, so yeah, now both are broadly classified as exfoliants. Okay, both are broadly classified as exfoliants, and both are chemical exfoliants, with this one having less amount of AHA and this one having AHAs and BHAs. Okay, so this one is considered to be a BHA plus AHA peeling solution, whereas this is a PHA. PHA is nothing but polyhydroxy acids, whereas this is alpha hydroxy acid plus beta hydroxy acid, which is it contains actually glycolic acid and this thing. It contains glycolic acid plus lactic acid plus salicylic acid. That's what it is made up of. PHAs. Now polyhydroxy acid are said to contain large fat molecules, okay, large fat particles, so they do not penetrate into your skin. Unlike these things, they penetrate deep into your skin and exfoliate your skin very nicely to remove all the dirt and gunk out and to remove all the dead skin cells, whereas this one will remove only at the surface level. Okay, so this one is actually meant for only sensitive skin, or you can say skin which cannot tolerate these chemical exfoliation. Okay, these contain carbohydrates in some form. So what will happen, this one has cellulose basically, so what will happen is, like when you rub it on your face, it balls up. Okay, and it removes all the dead skin cells and all the particles which are lying on your face from the top layer, so that will exfoliate your skin very nicely, much compared to the physical exfoliator, and it's not as harsh as chemical exfoliator. This one will exfoliate your skin inside out, and this one will exfoliate your skin only at the surface level, but nevertheless both of these products will make your skin really smooth. Okay, so that's the good part about these two products. Also, one more caution I want to give you, that when you're exfoliating your skin, which is chemically, okay, by any of these products. This can be mild, but yeah, you should only do it once or maximum twice a month, and that's it. There was one mistake I did. I was doing chemical exfoliation thrice a week, which was very bad. Okay, recently I learned that you should not chemically exfoliate your skin more than twice a month, and that's it. Companies actually advise you to use it more because they want their products to sell more, but it's always advised not to exfoliate your skin too much, because it can break the chemical skin barrier, okay, which can cause into some serious skin damage. So be very careful, study your ingredients, and then only purchase any products, okay. Skincare industry is becoming very much diverse, and you should study your ingredients very well to apply anything on your face. And I think that's about it. These two, for me, I like both of them equally. I would say I prefer pack one more because I don't know. Okay, first reason, less price, more quantity, and yeah, it's very easy to use. It kind of not burns. This one burns a little bit, but which is needed when you're chemically exfoliating. Please expect a little burning sensation, because otherwise it's not working. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you want me to do more such comparison videos, leave it down in the comment section, okay, and I will be giving all the product links in the description box. So yeah, okay, see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.